Saladin, the warrior who brought together the Muslim world and faced off against the Crusaders. His legend endures, not just for his military skill, but for his honor and diplomacy. Saladin, born in 1137, rose from a noble Kurdish family to become a powerful military commander. His intelligence and leadership earned him the respect of soldiers and rulers alike. Saladin achieved what many thought impossible. He united the Muslim world, bringing together rival factions and preparing them to defend their lands against the Crusaders. In 1187, Saladin achieved a decisive victory at the Battle of Hattin, destroying the Crusader forces and opening the way for his most famous achievement, recapturing Jerusalem. After reclaiming Jerusalem, Saladin's honor and mercy stood out. He allowed the Christian inhabitants to leave peacefully, a move that earned him the respect of his enemies and cemented his reputation as a noble leader. Saladin's leadership extended beyond the battlefield. During the Third Crusade, he and Richard the Lionheart developed a mutual respect, even exchanging gifts and negotiating truces. Saladin's legacy endures to this day, a man of honor, a unifier, and a leader who earned the respect of his friends and foes alike. His story remains a powerful reminder of the values of justice and mercy. If you enjoyed this look into the life of Saladin and how he united the Muslim world, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more stories of world-changing figures. Here's a question. Do you think honor and diplomacy can still play a role in today's conflicts? Share your thoughts in the comments below.